What is up, man? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Sa video na to, ito ang ating part 3 ng ating paano lalakasan dating mo kahit hindi ka pogi. Sa mga bago sa channel ko, I'm Joms and I help Filipino men make better or do better decisions when it comes to dating and relationships. Ang main topic ko dito is about polarity. Polarity meaning the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So kung gusto mo maka-attract ng isang feminine, loyal, loving, supportive na babae sa buhay mo, then you might want to improve your masculinity and understand the feminine. So, sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung part 3, kung paano lalakasan dating mo kahit hindi ka pogi. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung part 1 and part 2, panoorin mo muna yon bago ka pumunta dito sa part 3. Sa part 1, pinag-usapan natin kung paano lalakasan dating mo kahit hindi ka pogi when it comes to your physical appearance, to your looks. Okay? Sa part 2, pinag-usapan natin kung paano lalakas ang dating mo kahit hindi ka pogi when it comes to your body language or your non-verbals. So ngayon, dito sa part 3, pag-uusapan natin, ito last part na to, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ka magiging attractive in a way na internal wise. Okay? Because again, women are not looking just only your looks, okay? The way you behave, but also titingnan nila, okay? They can see through you. Titingnan nila yung internal state mo din. Okay? Hindi lang about sa looks. Okay? It's way deeper than that when it comes to attraction. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga bagay na mas magpapataas o mas magpapalakas pa ng dating mo when it comes to dating and relationships. Okay? So, punta tayo. Number 1. So, lalakas ang dating mo kahit hindi ka pogi if you have a purpose. Okay? Sobrang attractive ng lalaking merong purpose. Because this signals direction and leadership. Okay? These are masculine traits. Because again, women are looking for leaders. Okay? Kaya nga kung gusto mong may babaeng mag-submit sa'yo, okay? You need to be a leader. You need to lead. Alright? So, you cannot lead without a goal in mind. Okay? Hindi mo malilid ang isang babae or hindi ka magiging leader kung wala kang goal. Kasi saan mo sila nililid? So, in order for you to lead, okay, kailangan meron kang goal in mind. And that goal is your purpose. Now, I want you to always find the why. Okay? Kasi yun yung purpose mo. Why? Bakit ka ba gumigising sa araw na to? Okay? Bakit mo ginagawa tong bagay na to? Because the purpose is this one. Okay? That's your why. Your why is your purpose. So, this will make you intentional, clear, and conscious. Kapag meron kang purpose, okay? If you know the why, kung bakit mo ginagawa ang isang bagay, yung purpose kung bakit mo ginagawa isang bagay, it will be easy for you to make decisions and take the actions required that is aligned to your purpose. Okay? Mas madali ka na ngayon makakagawa ng decisions, mas madali ka na makakapag-isip, kasi alam mo na kung bakit mo ginagawa isang bagay. For example, ang purpose mo is to have a healthy body, fit body. So, kung papipiliin ka between junk food or fast food versus high-protein healthy foods, so mas madali na sa'yo na pumili between those two choices. Okay? Nagkakaroon ka ngayon ng intentional, clear, and conscious decision-making. That's why it's really important to have a purpose in life. So, Joms, paano kung wala akong purpose? Okay? Di ko alam kung ano yung purpose ko. Don't worry kasi napunta din ako sa ganyang sitwasyon. I remember when I was 23, 22, 23, sobrang lost ko. Hindi ko alam talaga yung purpose ko. Parang sabi ko, Lord, bakit ba ako nabuhay sa mundo to? Parang ganon. Okay? What helped me is this one. If you are lost right now, I want you to sharpen your talents. Okay? Ano ba yung mga talents mo? Ano ba yung current skill mo? Na saan ka magaling? Okay? Magsimula ka sa kung anong meron ka. Kung saan ka magaling. So, I want you to sharpen those talents. For me, example ako, may talent ako to do content creation, may talent ako to speak, okay? May talent ako to socialize. So, ang ginawa ko, mas in-improve ko pa yung talents ko na yon. The next thing is, I explore things and learn new skills. Okay? Kasi may mga bagay dyan na akala mo nung una hindi mo gusto, pero nung na-try mo, ay shit, gusto ko pala. Kapag kasi ganun is nagbibigyan ka ng purpose. For example, ako, nung una akala ko ayaw ko ng boxing. Ayaw ko ng boxing. Nung natry ko yung boxing, shit, ang gusto ko pala nito. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng idea, ng goal na Parang gusto ko lumaban, amateur fight. So ngayon, nagkaroon ng purpose yung training ko. Kaya nagkaroon ng why. So bakit ako mag-boxing? Kasi gusto ko ng amateur fight. I want to try. Okay, I want to expose myself to real life fighting situations in a safe, safe and controlled arena. Hindi yung makikipagsuntukan lang ako sa labas. Alright? So ganun. Kaya it's really important to have a purpose. Okay, again, having a purpose signals direction and leadership, in which these are characters of being a masculine man. So if you display masculine traits, you will attract a feminine woman. And also, pag tanungin mo yung babae, gusto mo ba ng lalaking walang purpose? Ang purpose lang niya is paligayahin ka, hindi yung babae. Kasi for sure, mapipressure lang siya, masasakal lang siya. Ganyan. That's why it's really important to have a purpose. Next, number 2, pursue your passions. Okay, pursue your passions. Kasi pwedeng meron kang purpose ka, pero hindi ka passionate sa pag-pursue. Alright? So, pursuing your passion is the ultimate sign of ambition and drive. Okay, pinapakita mo that you are fun, alive, and having a purposeful life. Kung ikaw ay tamad at wala kang passion, you have lack of passion, pinapakita mo na ikaw ay unmotivated, dead inside, at meron kang uninteresting na buhay. Boring. Okay? Ito yung tatandaan mo. Kung ikaw mismo hindi masaya sa buhay mo, walang gugustuhin pumasok sa mundo mo. Tandaan mo yung mga babae are just multipliers. Okay? Huwag mo ibibigay sa kanila yung burden para pasayahin ka. It's your job and responsibility to create a fun, alive, and purposeful life. Okay? Hindi trabaho yan ng babae. Ang trabaho lang ng babae, ang job or responsibility lang ng babae sa buhay mo is to multiply and amplify your life. Ibig sabihin, kung negative ang buhay mo ngayon, unmotivated, dead inside, uninteresting ang buhay mo ngayon, pag nagpapasok ka ng babae sa buhay mo, magiging times 10 lang yung magiging times 10 lang yung pagiging unmotivated mo, pagiging dead inside mo, pagiging uninteresting mo. Okay? Magiging times 10 lang na boring. Mandadamay ka pa ng tao. Okay? Pero kung ikaw ay you are living a fun, alive, purposeful life, magpapasok ka ng healthy, feminine woman sa buhay mo, is mas times 10 pa niya to. Ay mas pasasayahin pa niya, mas i-amplify niya yung current state mo. So, paano ba gagawin to? I want you to get out of your comfort zone. Okay, in order for you to live your life with passion or to pursue a passionate life, I want you to leave your comfort zone. Huwag kayong magstay sa nursery. Okay? Once you hit a certain age, sa lalaki 21 or 18, for me, once na once na naging adult na kayo, okay, adulthood, once you hit adulthood, tapos na yung responsibilidad ng parents, okay, at kailangan lumabas ka na sa nursery. Huwag ka na magtago sa saya ng nanay mo, okay, huwag ka na maging under na saya ng nanay mo. Kasi usually, yung mga lalaking nasa nursery, yung mga alam mo yun, na nasa comfort zone lang palagi, gusto nila komportable lang, gusto nila ini-spoon feed lang, ayaw mag-take ng risk. Okay, meron nga silang goal pero hindi naman nag-e-effort ganun. Wala, may masabi lang na meron siyang goal pero hindi naman talaga siya nag-e-effort. Hindi nagpo-pursue ng personal improvement. Kumbaga, ito lang ako eh. Kailangan tanggap niyo kung sino ako. Pero kung titingnan mo kung sino siya, kahit naman siya, hindi niya tatanggapin yung sarili niya. Okay? Now, I want you to go outside your comfort zone, take risk, put some effort on achieving your purpose, your goals, and also pursue self-improvement. Yun naman talaga ito yung goal ng channel na to. Now, hindi mo kailangan maging pinakamayaman o pinakasikat para magustuhan, para maka-attract ka ng isang feminine, yung healthy feminine woman. Okay? You only need to show that na meron kang unrealized potential. Okay? Na alam mo sa sarili mo na magaling ka eh. Alam mo sa sarili mo na meron kang future. Alam mo sa sarili mo na meron kang malaking, alam mo, you are made for bigger things. Ramdam mo na hindi ito yung final version mo, na meron kang best version of yourself. So you need to show that you have unrealized potential. Kasi sa mga babae, hindi mo naman kailangan maging successful ngayon, okay? You don't need to be successful right now. But, you need to show that you have what it takes to be successful. Okay? You have the drive. You have the ambition. You have the effort. Okay? You're doing the effort in order for you to achieve your goals, your purpose. You are passionate enough to live a life. You're alive. You're fun. Okay? You're having fun. That's how you pursue your passion. That's how you live a passionate life. Okay? Another thing, women like guys who can show that they can provide future provisions. Okay, na hindi lang ito yung kayang ibigay pero meron pa. Okay, there's more about this guy. And that will help you to attract women kahit hindi ka pogi. Because ito, magpapalakas to ng dating mo. Next, number 3, magkaroon ka ng barkadang lalaki. Okay, magkaroon ka ng barkadang lalaki. Yung barkadang lalaki na to, make sure this is a healthy masculine circle. Pag sinabing healthy masculine circle, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga lalaki that will push you to be your best masculine version. Ito yung mga lalaki na hindi ka, alam mo yun, hindi ka hihilahin pababa. Nasusuportahan ka din. Okay? Men that will challenge you and hold you accountable. Hindi yung bibigyan ka ng distractions. Alam mo yun na hindi puro saya, hindi puro barbar lang, hindi puro party-party lang, hindi puro video games lang, okay, hindi puro social media. Okay? Yung mga lalaking wala na rin sa nursery. Okay? Humarap ka ng mga lalaki that is pursuing their passions also. Because again, sabi nga nila, kung ikaw sumama ka sa 4 na sugarol, ikaw na yung pang-5. Pero pag sumama ka sa 4 na lalaking ina-achieve yung best masculine version nila, mga lalaking merong purpose, mga lalaking merong passionate life or living a passionate life, then ikaw na yung pang-5. Okay? Sumama ka sa 4 na lalaking puro party, puro alcohol, puro drugs, puro video games, puro social media, puro flex lang sa social media, walang gawa, then ikaw na yung pang-5. So make sure to surround yourself with healthy masculine circle. Alright? Men that will challenge you and hold you accountable. Kapag meron kang sinabi, make sure na kino-call out ka nila. Oy, sinabi mo mag-exercise ka na. Sinabi mo mag-gym ka na, ba't di ka pa nag-gym ngayon? Someone that will call you out. Kasi kailangan natin yun. Kailangan natin ng mga accountability partners. And that will help you to achieve your purpose, to know your purpose, and actually live a passionate life. Okay? Now, so bakit ba attractive din to sa mga babae? Because this signals that you are respected, social, and trustworthy. Kumbaga, social proof na rin to. Alright? Social proof that, you are trustworthy. Kasi meron kang mga kaibigan. That you are also pushing them. Meron ka ring status. You are also, syempre, kung kasali ka sa gantong circle, hindi yung puro ka lang tanggap na tanggap. Syempre, magbibigay ka rin ng challenge, magbibigay ka rin ng energy, magbibigay ka rin ng motivation. Magiging accountability partner ka din nila. Okay? So, kapag meron kang healthy masculine circle, make sure that you are doing this thing. Ang tawag ko dito is masculine exchange of value. Because in the world of masculine, kailangan may exchange of value palagi. Pareho kayong nagiging valuable sa isa't isa. Now, kung wala ka pang healthy masculine circle at naghahanap ka, meron akong community, ang tawag doon is Man Cave PH. School community siya. If wala ka pang healthy masculine circle and you are trying to be the best masculine version of yourself and you want to surround yourself with people that have the same goal, then you want to join the Man Cave PH. Yung link nasa description box or nasa bio ko. Ano lang yan, parang kasama na dyan lahat ng programs ko, masculinity and dating programs. Makukuha mo lang siya for 500 a month. So that's the lowest group coaching price na meron dito sa Philippines. And meron kang 7-day free trial. Okay, 7-day free trial lang. So, if you are interested, check mo yung link sa description or nasa bio ko. Next, last thing na magpapalakas ng dating mo kahit hindi ka pogi is having a relationship with G-O-D, with the big G, with God, bro. Okay? Magiging lalakas ang dating mo because this will signal humility, faithfulness, and courage. Alright? Kasi sa buhay natin, alam naman natin na maraming mga bagay na hindi natin control. Life can fuck you up in just like that. Okay? So dahil nga ganun, we want to have someone that we can lean to in times of hardships, in times of disasters, in times of low moments. So, bilang lalaki, syempre, hindi naman pwedeng kumapit tayo sa babae. Kasi nga, sila ang, tayo ang anchor nila. Sila ang kakapit sa atin. Okay? Pwede rin naman tayo kumapit sa mga barkadang lalaki, pero meron din silang mga buhay. Not all the time magiging available sila sa atin. Ang magiging available lang lagi is G-O-D. Him. Okay? So, while you are pursuing your passions, finding your purpose, or doing yung purpose mo sa buhay mo, you want to use God as your sword and your shield. Kasi itong mga bagay na to, ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo na bumuo kayo ng sarili nyong kingdom at ikaw yung hari. Ikaw yung hari ng sarili mong buhay. Okay? This is your kingdom. And God will be your sword and your shield. Okay? Gamitin mo siya in order for you to pursue your purpose, your goals. Okay? To take risk. Kasi if you know that you have a sword and a shield, di ka na matatakot. Okay? Di ka na matatakot mag-take ng risk. Di ka matatakot umalis sa comfort zone mo kasi you know that you have someone by your side. Alright? Because, again, sa mundong to, hindi natin alam lahat at hindi natin kontrolado lahat. So, what I want you to do is control what you can. Lahat ng kaya mong kontrolin mo. And what you can control is your actions and your decisions. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo na control. Yung mga ibang tao, algorithm, weather. Ipagpasa Diyos mo na lang. You surrender it to the Lord. But make sure you are doing what it takes. Okay, you are doing something. Yung mga kaya mong kontrolin, like your health, your fitness, your decisions, your actions. Okay? Yun yung kontrolin mo. And then the other things, surrender it to God. Because in that way, you will worry less and act more. Okay? Hindi ka na mag-worry, hindi ka na mag-overthink. Hindi ka na mag-overthink sa mga bagay na wala kang control. Okay? You will just surrender it to God. So, kung hindi ka nag-worry, hindi ka na nag-overthink, mas makakapag-take action ka. Okay? So, paano mo ba ito gagawin? Start making an effort to know God, to have a relationship with Him. Aamin ako, I'm not a religious person, pero this God, this G-O-D, He is the most masculine figure na narinig ko. Okay? So next, start to read your Bible. Okay? Basahin mo yung Bible. So, I am reading the Bible because sinabi ng religion. Okay? Sinabi. Dahil takot ako mapunta sa impyerno. No. I'm reading the Bible because I want to get to know the most masculine figure, which is God. Kasi totoo naman we all bow down to God. We all submit to God. So, I want to get to know Him. I want to learn from Him. Okay? The most masculine man who walked on this earth. Malalaman mo yung kwento niya sa Bible. And doon siya nagturo siya. For sure, marami tayong makukuha doon na learnings on how to be a masculine man. Kasi, for me, he is the most masculine model. Kung imo-model mo yung sarili mo, gusto mo maging masculine na lalaki, for me, the most masculine man is God, is Jesus Christ. G-O-D, bro, the big G. Okay? Because again, God is the most masculine figure. Okay, kung nagawa ko magbasa ng mga libro na gawa ng tao, okay, about dating, relationship, masculinity, ba't hindi ko basahin yung libro na gawa ni G-O-D? in which the most masculine figure of all time. Okay? So that's it. That's the whole masterclass. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. Paano lalakas ang dating mo kahit di ka pogi. Part 3. Again, kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung part 1 and part 2, nasa link lang siya sa description. Mas maganda panoorin mo din siya. So, this is Joms. And I want to remind you that keep your balls hanging at all times. And I'll see you on the next video. Let's go.